Okay, so let's continue with the water piping on the 5th level. What I'm going to need to do is bring the hot water over to the washer. Okay, so here's an elbow. I need to erase this elbow. Let's erase. Oh, that's actually what I need to do is make that a T. Okay, right click over and bring it over. Stay in the wall space. Come over and go up over the door. Let's make it 9 feet. And then down 5, 6. Down to 5, 6. Okay, and over. And let's go out. And then I'm going to bring it back to the left side. Maybe about right there. Okay. The washer. Make this connection. Draw a pipe. And right there. Okay, that looks good. Let's fill it. Great. I'm going to go back and back into the wall space, and that's going to be the hot water. Now let's do the sanitary. The sanitary's here. L5, I think that is the lighting for the architect. Let's do L lighting fixture. Let's turn those off. Okay, so here's our section 1. Let's just make it here so I can see the connection. Let's highlight and then go to section 1. And section 1 is here. So I'm going to bring it down and make sure we're on the same PVC water. I need to change that to PVC drain waste vent. And system type is sanitary sewer. Let's go over and go down. Okay. So there's a connection to the floor below that I need to make. I need to make sure that they are aligned, and let's align the first pipe with the second pipe. And let's, okay, that looks good. And this is gonna be my riser. Okay. Let's draw this pipe going up to about right there. Okay, so this connection is going to be sanitary T. Okay. And let's go back to the floor plan. I'm going to turn off this. Let's go back to the floor plan. And let's look at the washer. The washer connection, drain connection is here. So we go over. Let's go out. It looks like, are we on the same? Okay, sanitary sewer type. Let's draw a pipe so I can make that connection. what I'm going to need to do is change the orientation of my view in place. Let's go here. Make that lock and go 90 so I can see. Let's get a reference. Sanitary. Let's go down. Okay. And I'm going to need to create. Let's just bring this. Let's get more of my washer in view in the section. Okay. So here it's going to be a trap. So we go up and we're going to connect into the riser. I can go back some. Okay, so we go to the floor plan again and let's bring it inside the wall. Okay, now let's take another look at the section. Okay, so what I need to do now is align the one pipe to the other pipe. Okay, so I use the align tool, come here. Let's try this again. It can be a little tricky. Okay, I'm gonna do something different. Let's align, let's just create a construction alignment and go here. And that's the alignment. Align one pipe to the second pipe. Let's go back and erase this guy. So yes, and make this connection. Okay, that looks good. So we're going to change this to another type of fitting. Standard. Okay, so we have those two connected. Let's go sanitary. Okay, it's within the wall. Next is going to be the shower connection. Let's see, I think I'm gonna, let's do this. Okay, and go back. Let's start over. I'm gonna rotate our orientation. Let's rotate in place. Let's go here and go 90. Okay, and this is our shower connection. And I need to bring it out far enough so I can see it when it comes out. Okay, that's our shower connection. And we have this. Let's make sure everything is on the right system and type. Wonder why that defaults to water. Sanitary. So I'm gonna need a trap. Let's bring it out far enough so I can see it in plan. But I have to make sure that my view range is, let's see, I can go maybe right here. Okay, so the view range looks good. Where are we? View range, bottom, -5, okay. Cancel. So I want to pick up my kitchen sink. So you can draw here, here, and make a clean out back here. Let's go here, right click and draw another pipe. I need to change this to a Y combination and bring it back all the way to here. Okay, just kind of bring this here and create a cap here. Okay, so next is going to be the kitchen sink. Okay, so we have the kitchen sink, get a reference, and let's go to the section. Okay. Let's go down. What size is the 2-inch? Okay. Kitchen sink. Needs a P-trap. Let's put a trap on here. Let's go here. Okay. Let's go up just a little bit. So I'm gonna need to make that connection. All the way down. This is a 2-inch. Let's see if I can, let's align. Okay. I'm gonna align one pipe. Okay, let's try it again. I don't know why it's not aligning. Try it again. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that works out. And let's go to our 3D section. Okay, so we're working on, so here's our shower. So we just finished our model for the washer and the toilet, and that's the riser. Let me put a cap on this guy. And so it goes down. Doesn't look like there's a problem in here with the structure. So if I can make this come out just a little bit so we can see what's going on. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna need to do, so what I'm gonna need to do is go under this this beam, this W-beam, W-shaped beam. And to do that, I need to disconnect again. Let's go back to the floor plan. I need to disconnect section 1. Let's go here. Okay. Let's delete all of this. Let's delete. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. I'd rather do that. And come here. Delete. Come here. And delete. Now, I'm going to bring my pipe down. Don't think it's connected to anything. Okay, so I need to come under my that beam. Okay, is it in section? Yeah, so there's our beam. This horizontal line is the beam. So if I shift and go down, 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 and just go under it. Okay, a little bit more. That's good. Okay, let's go back to our floor plan, and what I'm gonna need to do is look at my section again and come here, draw my pipe this a little bit over and then down and align. Unbelievable. Okay. That's gonna delete that cap. Let's align this tool again. Man, I can't see anything. I don't know why. Let's do this. Okay, so let's continue. Somehow I got I need to align the first pipe with the second pipe. Okay, and if we go down, let's come around and let's look at this guy again. That looks good. So extend the first pipe with the second pipe and change this fitting to a Y combination. Okay, so I can go, now I'm going under. Let's go back to the floor plan. So that's all taken care of. Let's put the cap back on. We are capping, okay. Now let's look at the kitchen sink. And we are here. Let's go back, section 1. That's the kitchen sink. Everything looks good. I'll bring this down. Okay, and do the same section. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Huh. Okay, so what I'm gonna need to do, it looks like I'm gonna need to make an offset. Or move the kitchen sink over. So I don't know what the architect has in mind, but it's right on top. So let's see. So if I look at the section, let's go back. You see? So I'm gonna need to offset. Well, it's right on top of it. There's no way to get around that. Go here and section. So if I look at, let's turn off HVAC, architecture, structure. Okay, so it must be, oh, there's the beam here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I'm going to assume that the architect will move the kitchen sink over or to adjust it because it's right on top of the beam, it looks like. And there's no way to offset the fitting in this area because of the, well, I guess I could offset it here. I could offset here. Here. So I'll cut it here. Okay. But am I in the wall? Let's see. Okay, so I think, let's go back. Let's look at this. This is always a skill somehow. So I think I'm gonna need to, if I'm looking at the orientation, let's rotate in place. Let's go down and look at this guy. I think I'm gonna need to orient inside the wall. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the section again. Let's get our orientation. So we are here, and there's our beam. So inside the wall, here we go. Let's go up and draw a pipe at 45 inside the wall, and then come down. Okay, I think that works. So let's look at the floor plan. You see, here's the offset. Yeah, that works. So planet Earth was saved. Let's see if I'm in line. Let's make sure I'm in line. Align pipe number 1 with pipe number 2. Okay, let's go to 3D section. So that's how it looks. Now, I can even go back a little bit, but I'm not going to do that. So we are here. Let's go to floor plan, and let's see if we can get out of the jaws of the monster. Section, where am I? Let's go here. This is good. Still don't have enough room, it looks like. Man, but it's here. What's going on? 3D section. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's happening. I see what's happening. This goes out some, so I can see it just a little bit. Now, okay, I cut it off some. So if we can extend one pipe to the second pipe, that's good, and make our combination here. Okay, now that works. So we got through all of that. Okay, that looks good. Everything looks good, everything looks good, everything looks good. And so that's another way to route your piping around beams by using your 3D visual. Kind of helps, you know, so you can cut your time on using, you know, your interference tools like Navisworks. Just have to do your investigation on your own so that everything looks like it's okay. So I think I'm going to stop here. That was a chore. So we have our water closet, we have our washer all connected, we have our sink, our kitchen sink, and our shower connected. Now for my next trick, I need to go around under the floor and connect the two lavatories so that we can connect into the riser that's coming off of the water closet. Okay guys, I hope that helped because it helped me. I'll talk to you guys later.